Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pisces, spread seeds of joy like a wildflower and no doubt you will revel in the result. Ayan. So, um, embrace naman ninyo sa ngayon, Pisces, yung joy. Diba? Spread the joy. Pero how can you spread the joy if hindi nyo naman ito ina-acknowledge? Diba? Or hindi naman kayo talagang natutuwa, no, sa mga sitwasyon. So, even the small things, Pisces, kailangan din natin yan na tignan natin. Let's enjoy it, even the little things, the simple things that are unfolding sa buhay natin. Kaya mahalaga na maging presente tayo, no, sa buhay. 'Di ba? Hindi kasi minsan ang iba focused pa rin lagi, ang iniisip pa rin lagi is yung nakaraan, yung mga tapos na, or focused sa kung ano ang parating pa lang. So parang hindi na natin yun ma-experience, 'di ba? Kasi tapos na yun. At ang iba, parating pa lang. And we don't know kung ano din ang parating. Kaya mas magandang i-enjoy natin kung ano ang meron sa ngayon. Whatever it is that is happening right now, whatever it is that is unfolding right now, yun na lang ang pag-focusan natin. Let's enjoy it. Let's embrace it. Let's recognize it, no? And so that magkaroon tayo ng saya, 'di ba? Sa ma-appreciate natin kung ano mga nangyayari, and that is going to bring us joy sa puso natin, and let's spread it. 'Di ba? Yung saya na yan para maging mas magandang maging contagious ang joy na nararamdaman natin. We have friends. The most unlikely friendships can form like variegated lesions on hard rock. They create a tight bond. Ayan. So, siguro meron dito mga friendship na magde-develop between you and another person, or between you and a group of people, no? Pero hindi ito yung yung para magsisimula kayo ng inyong friendship na hindi yung normal, or hindi yung parang you're not going to start your friendship on the right footing. Kumbaga, baka sa una magkakakilala kayo ng mga ito na nagsusupladahan, 'di ba? You're not on the same page, 'di ba? Maaring doon kayo magsisimula sa ganong sitwasyon. But eventually, because we are, or you are, mature people, kaya eventually siguro mag-aano din kayo, magkikita pa rin kayo, 'di ba? You will still have encounter somewhere, no, whenever, at baka, 'di ba, doon makapagsimula kayo ng mas magandang pagkakaibigan. So maaaring gano'n ang magiging sitwasyon, no? Sa unang pagkikita, hindi magandang pagsisimula, pero eventually, you are still going to cross each other's path, at maaaring doon na magsisimula ang isang magandang samahan. What else? We have path. Wander on the path less traveled. What you find might surprise you. Ayan. So, siguro mayroon kayo dito tatahaking bagong daan na ikakatuwa ninyo, no? Maaaring this is a path that is not hindi mo pa napagdadaanan, hindi ka pa nakaka-experience ng ganitong bagay, but this time, you're going to walk towards a path na full of surprises. Hindi mo inaasahan, hindi mo inaakala, 'di ba, na may experience mo ang mga gagandang bagay, pero ito, may experience mo siya sa pagkakataong ito. So what else? We have opportunity. Ayan. So there's going to be an opportunity going to be knocking on your door, no, at this time. At this could be anything, no? This could be anything, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Kapag nakita nyo na to, na-meet nyo na ito, no, saka nyo yan marirealize na, yeah, this is a beautiful opportunity for me. No? So, depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng related yan sa personal affairs ninyo, pwedeng related yan sa trabaho, sa career, sa negosyo, mga kaibigan, pamilya. So, it depends, no? We have pleasure. You deserve pleasure, Pisces. You deserve it. Everyone deserves pleasure. Kung ano ang meron sa inyo sa ngayon, kung ano nag-unfold na mga bagay-bagay dyan, no? Na, alam mo yun, makakapagpa-relax sa'yo, makakapagpasaya sa'yo, go for it, no? Kasi hindi dadating ang isang oportunidad sa buhay ninyo, whatever it is, if it's not meant for you. Kaya, you have the opportunity to experience pleasure, then go for it, embrace it, take advantage of it. Okay? What else? We have illumination. And so the path, no, towards whatever it is that you are working on, or kung ano man ang pinagdadasal ninyo, that will be illuminated for you, Pisces. Okay? That will be illuminated for you. So, ano lang kayo, makinig kayo lagi sa inyong intuition. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Pansinin ninyo yung mga signs, symbols, and synchronicities. Intuitive nudges ninyo, intuitive messages ninyo, because maaaring yung enlightenment and illumination will be coming from that, no? At malilinawan din ang inyong kaisipan. The path or the right path will be illuminated for you. That will be revealed to you. Kaya kailangan ninyong makinig lang sa guidance ng universe. We have community. You're very lucky. You're blessed, no? Na kung meron man kayong pangangailangan sa ngayon, whatever it is, you have a community of people that are very supportive of you, very helpful of you, handang tumulong or handang mag-step up, no, yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo rito para kayo'y matulungan, masuportahan, no, or maasistihan sa kung ano man ang inyong pangangailangan. So, very supportive people are surrounding you, no, whether that is mga kaibigan, katrabaho, kapamilya, you know, you are very blessed, no, na meron kang komunidad, no, sa paligid ninyo na nandyan lagi, no, to help you, to support you, and to be by your side. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.